Hi guys, so today I made another marble run. It's called the Which Way Marble Run. So, how you see here, it splits right there, here or here. So, we're going to have these 7 marbles. They're going to be put down the ramp one by one. They're going to be put down the ramp one by one. And then we'll see if it's 4, 3, 5, 2, and leave in the comments below to see which side that it will win. Okay, so we should do this. So, first marble. 3, 2, 1. So, the first side is the left. So, second marble. 3, 2, 1. Left again. So 3, 2, 1. So this one went right. So next one, 3, 2, 1. Left again. So one more and then left wins. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's hanging in there. 3, 2, 1. Got stuck in the middle. Sometimes that happens, so let's fix that. Three, 2, 1. Left wins, but we'll just do this marble for fun. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so as you see here, it was 5-2. So the left side won. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Bye.